All right, eighth grade, here is your bell work for topic sentences 2. There are only 4 days of work for this week. Day 4 will count as mastery. It is a continuation of topic sentences. Some information that you need before starting on this is that a general topic sentence tells the main idea, does not give clues or details, where a cluing topic sentence tells main idea, gives clues or hints about details, but does not provide details. And a specific topic sentence tells the main idea and gives details in the order. Now remember that you can do one each day for 4 days, or you can do them all one day. Each day must be submitted separately to me through Canvas. So looking at topic sentences 2, remember you need to ignore this stuff over here. This is not needed information. What you are going to be doing is reading the sentence, and you have to decide whether it is a general topic sentence, and you will put a G in the blank. You have to decide if it is a cluing, and you'll write a C in the blank. And you have to decide if it is a specific topic sentence, and you will put an S on the line. So when you look at the first sentence, spring is an exciting season of the year. Is there any clues? Is there any kind of a list? And you would say no, so that would be a general topic sentence. On number 2, where it says Jack needed 4 kinds of tools to take care of his yard, it is giving us a clue, but it is not telling us what those 4 kinds are. So that is a cluing topic sentence. Number 3, General Washington and his men prepared to cross the Delaware River in several ways. Now, on that one, it says several, but it doesn't tell us what those ways are. So again, it is a cluing topic sentence. Number 4, the arrival of my first paycheck changed my whole way of living. It doesn't really give us a clue as to how it changed. It doesn't give us a specific, so it is a general topic sentence. Number 5, it says, high school activities you can join are, look here, it says pep club, student council, and debate. Gives us a list. So that makes it a specific topic sentence. What I want you guys to do now is to pause the video, and I want you to finish 6 through 10, then come back to the video, and we'll check your answers for day 1. All right, on number 6, it says a bird can use a variety of materials to build a nest. It gives us a clue by the word variety. So this is a cluing sentence. Number 7, birthdays in my family include presents, cake, and a trip. There is a list, so that is a specific sentence. Number 8, when he looked through the microscope, he saw 4 things. That's a number, so that makes it a cluing sentence. Number 9, although stained glass can look patternless, it is made through a specific process, for it is an ancient art form. Gives us a clue, a specific process. So our paragraph is probably going to tell us about that process. So that would be a cluing. Number 10 says the 3 purposes, there's a number, of a weather map are to, oh look, we have a list, collect, organize, and show. So that one is a specific. It gave a number, but it also gave a list. The list outweighs the number. All right, that is day one. Remember, you'll need to do day 2, 3, and 4 for mastery. Day 2 is done the same way as day 1. Don't forget general, cluing, specific. Don't forget general, cluing, specific. Remember, you can do one each day for 4 days, or you can do them all in one day. Each day must be submitted separately to me through Canvas. This one, 2D, is for mastery. And don't forget to label it general, cluing, or specific.